18 persons arrested in Kingston for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act.
Boss, I can't believe this. Curfew time and there's a party.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
18 persons were arrested by a team of police from the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB, and the Kingston Central Police for breaching of the Disaster Risk Management Act on Orange Street in Kingston last night. They are 41-year-old Ian Scott, a tiler of Orange Street in Kingston, 32-year-old Nair Brown, an electronic salesman of Orange Street in Kingston, 22-year-old Kerryon Wilson, a student of Orange Street in Kingston, 27-year-old Michael Isaacs, a machine operator of Orange Street in Kingston, 68-year-old Errol Sinclair, unemployed of Orange Street in Kingston, 42-year-old Kevin Wilson, a footballer of Orange Street in Kingston, 25-year-old Shanice Powell, a firefighter of Orange Street in Kingston, 28-year-old Javier Ellis, a janitor of Tarrant Drive in Kingston 10. 23-year-old Kenroy Collins, a forklift operator of Gordon Road in Kingston. 21-year-old Jermaine Reed, a factory worker of Gordon Road in Kingston. 25-year-old Javon Walker, a machine operator of Gordon Road in Kingston. 24-year-old Alex Anson, a machine operator of Gordon Road in Kingston. 42-year-old Glenford Elvin, a firefighter of Old Hope Road, Kingston 6. 68-year-old Gossett Hay, a carpenter of Boulevard Park in Kingston 11. 44-year-old Carl Jackson, a porter of Wellington Street in Kingston 4. 58-year-old Rickton Warthrope, a guardsman of 440 Drive in Kingston 20. 41-year-old Devon Armsby, a laborer of 440 Drive in Kingston 20. And 35-year-old Steve Brown, a construction worker of 440 Drive in Kingston 20.
Boss, I can't believe this. Curfew time and there's a party. You can't believe this. Look at this. Curfew time and there's a party going on right here. Look there. Yeah, no party them, Akim. I'm doing it. Inspector, I'm doing it already. I can't believe this. Curfew hours and they're keeping a party. What time is it now, sir?
Yeah, less than 9 now. Less than 9.
Hello. Over there, that's what I'm saying to go. Go over there, so light. You never said online.
Can't believe this.
Hundreds of them elude us over there, so.
Reports from PSTEB are that about 7:15 p.m. the team was on patrol on Orange Street when they heard loud music playing and proceeded to investigate the source. They subsequently found a group of people at a party and instructed them to go home. The majority complied, however 18 did not, which resulted in the violators being arrested and charged for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act. They were all granted bail and are scheduled to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday the 30th of June.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.